Okay, let me share my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Which database we have taken? Amazon sample DB. Okay, let's take this one and let me execute this. Hope it should run good.
Yeah.
Okay. Copy, Control-N. Let me go to the new query window. Okay. Now see student info, and this is my subject info. Okay. And one more is that student subject info. Okay, we'll focus on first only this student and subject relationship.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me run these three tables. Okay, so first of all, understand functionally the data. Okay, so this is your student table, right? So we have added the student. Simple. This is my subject table, subject master. So I added the subject here. This is one time entry, this is one time entry, and that's why it's a master tables, right? We will do the one time entry, right? Now this is a transactional data, so that is our child tables, because here you will find the multiple entries, right?
Yeah.
Student one have the three subjects, so student one. So first of all, tell me why we separate out this table, why we separate out and create this kind of tables where you will have only IDs and no actual name, right?
To get meaningful data.
Yeah, so no, that meaningful data will come
Sorry.
to us later. This is not a
Yeah.
meaningful data. This is not a meaningful data.
Yeah.
Why we have created this not meaningful data? First of all, better if I
To
can create a one table, right? And I can keep the student ID.
yeah.
Instead of student ID, I can keep the Suma. I can keep the subject physics, chemistry, maths. Again, I can keep the Kiran power, and I can keep the subjects that physics, chemistry, maths.
Yeah.
Why I separate out this table? First of all, because to avoid the duplicacy, right? Let's say instead of
Okay.
here 111, what if I keep the Suma Naik three times? And
Yeah. Yeah.
let's say you have the seven subjects, so seven times I have to put your name. So that is the duplicate data. That is not a normalized data. So we
Okay.
figured
Yeah.
out in the normalizations, right? So first of all, we separate out the data to avoid the duplicacy and to save some space,
Okay.
right? So it is a part of normalization. So we have separated out
Got
this
it.
table. We have separated out
Yeah.
this. But now to make the meaningful data, now I have these entries as available, right? But now I have
Yeah.
from based on these three tables, I want to make a meaningful data, right? So what I will do, this is my so from this student, this is my student ID, right? 111. But instead of
Yeah.
that student ID, I want a name, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So what we'll do, this student one will do and do the join with this table. Okay, let me take this snap and I will try to explain you maybe, visualizations format, maybe. Okay. Now, we need to make a meaningful data, right? So instead of
Yeah.
student ID, I want a student name.
Name.
And
Yeah.
instead of subject ID, I want a subject name.
Subject name.
So it's very simple, right? So for this
Got it.
student ID 111, what I will do, I will join with this table, right? So I
Yeah.
will do a join.
Yeah.
Okay. I will do the join with this table, student table. So I'll join with student ID column, right? Here is my
Yeah.
student ID is my primary key, and here it is foreign key,
Foreign
right?
key. Yeah.
So I will join this student ID with this student ID, right? So for
Yeah.
111, I will join with this student ID.
Student
And
ID.
what I
Yeah.
will pick up, I will pick up the name.
Student name. Yeah.
Got it? Same way for this subject, right? Now I got the Suma Naik for this.
Mhm.
Uh,
From here, subject will join it to the subject ID.
right. What happened? Where is my mouse? Okay. So for this subject ID 1,
Mhm.
I need to join with,
Subject IDs from
correct?
subject table.
Yeah,
Yeah,
correct. I have to join to the respective table, right?
yeah.
So this is my
Hmm.
foreign key and this is my primary key,
Primary key.
right? Here also I will do your join, right?
Hmm.
GOIN. And I will
Got
do the
it.
join and I will take this maths
Hmm.
subject name. So for this student ID 111, I will get here, let's
Hmm.
say Suma. Okay. I'm not able to write properly.
It's okay.
Okay,
It's okay. I'm
right.
waiting.
So
Yeah.
from this student ID, I will get the Suma, and then
Yeah.
again Suma, because 3 times
Got it.
111, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I will get the
Hmm.
Suma here, and
Hmm.
from this subject ID, I'm joining with
Subject names.
yeah, and I'm taking the
That's
subject names. So for
yeah.
Suma, for one subject ID, what I will get? I will get
Maths.
maths. For a
Yeah.
subject ID 2, I will join here, and
Physics.
what I will
Yeah.
get? Physics, right?
Hmm.
Uh, Actually, facing some issue with physics, right?
Hmm.
And 3, it will join with,
Chemistry.
and it will give me the
Chemistry.
correct. You got it
Okay.
now?
Now I got it. Yeah.
Simple.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's very simple,
Yeah.
right? Now the same things we'll do now technically. Okay, if you understand functionally,
Yeah. Yeah.
it's easy for to
Now I
understand.
understood it. Yeah.
Good, 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 good. Now let's go to our SQL and we'll take the reference from this. Okay, now let's go here, and using these
Tell.
three tables,
Yeah.
we'll figure out the meaningful data.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Using these three tables, we have to do joins between these three tables and we have to figure out the meaningful data. Okay,
Hmm.
now the syntax for is very simple, right? So we are doing the joins. So let's say,
Let's
so
start.
let me, what is this? Remove this for now. So this is my select star from student info. Okay, this is my
Hmm.
first table, right?
Hmm.
Here it is my first table. Mm,
Got it.
this is my first table. So because this is the reference, so for this subject ID, I will join with the student, right? And I will do the
Student
join.
ID.
I will do the join. I will connect to the student table, right? Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
So first I will do join, right? As per the image, I'm joining
Point.
with
Yeah. Yeah.
student table, right?
Student table. Yeah.
So I will take a student info.
Student info.
I will
Yeah.
create one alias for is at st. Okay.
ST.
And for
Yeah.
a student subject info, I will create alias as SSI. Okay.
This is right.
I
Okay.
will do the join, right? But now tell me,
Mm-hmm.
I will do the join, but on which condition? There should be primary key and foreign key, right? That student ID and that student
Mm-hmm.
ID. So what I
Or
will
okay.
do
What is
st
student ID?
SSI dot student ID equal to st dot student ID. Got it?
Yeah, yeah. You
Yeah,
skipped on.
correct, good catch. So we need
Yeah.
to, when you have to add conditions, you have to add on. You got it?
Hmm.
Perfect.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay, now let's go and just execute this only. Okay,
Hmm.
what you will get? Student, sorry, student and your SSI table.
Yeah.
Right? This is your first, this is your first table,
Mm-hmm.
and this is your second table, student table, right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
you got the data
Mm-hmm.
from both you got the column from star means you got all the
Mm-hmm.
columns from all the tables,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? If I do
Mm-hmm.
st dot star first, that means I want all the data from student table.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and from these tables, I don't want the student ID, right? Because based on the student ID, I match the
Yeah.
student ID with
Mm-hmm.
this student ID, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I got this Suma. I matched again my student ID, right? So this is your master table,
Yeah.
student table, and this
Yeah.
sorry, this is my student table, right? One
Student.
one one two.
Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Sorry, no, it's not your yeah, but it joins, because of joins you got the multiple entries. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
now if I do from the SSI, I will take student ID. I not required because student ID already there in my student table. So
Mm.
I'm taking only subject ID. Okay, let's say I'm
ID.
taking only
Yeah.
subject ID. And if I go and do only join, okay, now I will get the all the data from my student table, right? That and
Hmm.
subject ID for Suma, subject ID is
Hmm.
1, 2,
Hmm.
3,
Got
1,
it.
2, 3,
Yeah.
and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4.
Hmm. Hmm.
But this is meaningful data, right? But this is again not a
Hmm.
meaningful data, right?
Yeah.
So what we will
Yeah.
do? This is not meaningful data, right? So I want meaningful data from subject table.
We'll join again.
Correct. Now,
Yeah.
so syntax for this is again, I will do one more join, and I will do
Hmm.
join with which table?
Subject.
Subject info, correct?
Subject info. Subject info table. Yeah.
Correct. And this my SB. And tell me the
Yeah.
condition now.
On SSI.
Hmm? Dot
SSI dot subject info.
subject info.
We want, yeah, we want subject info, right? Yeah, yeah, it's subject
And the
info only.
condition. Yeah, we want subject name. But what is the condition
Subject
to join?
ID, sorry, subject ID.
Correct. Yeah,
Subject ID
correct. Subject ID is equal to
is equals to subject ID. Again, we have to take the alias and the subject ID.
ESB dot subject ID, right?
Yeah,
Correct. Yeah.
yeah.
And now if I go and run this, I will get
Hmm.
the same data.
So my only one doubt was while
Hmm,
putting this on condition.
hmm,
First, we took the data from child this, right?
right. Yeah. That's
Yeah.
fine. You can keep student ID here. That will not impact. Even if
Child.
you keep the student info first, that will be also fine. That's not a problem. Anyways,
Mhm.
it will go join and give the only matching records. That's not a problem.
Okay.
Okay, that is also I will show you. But now tell me, even I did a join, but still I
Mhm.
can see the subject ID. I don't want subject ID. What I want?
You
Subject
want the
name,
subject names. Yeah.
right? So instead of this, no, this is SSI, right? So instead of this, I will take SB
Subject
dot
name.
ESB dot
Subject name.
name, right? Now I
Mm.
not need this column, right? This is not ID column,
Yeah.
I not required, right? So I remove this.
Mhm.
Now if I go and execute this, now I got the meaningful data. Got it?
Hmm.
This is my
Yeah.
subject ID, this is Suma,
RDBMS.
and this is my student address, and this is the
Mhm.
subject name. Now I want
Yeah.
only student name and subject name. Okay, I don't want the student ID, student email ID, address. I don't
Hmm.
want see, I don't want mail and address. I want only student roll number, that is student ID, student name, and
The name
subject
and
name.
subject name.
So
Yeah.
what should we do?
Student name,
Hmm?
student ID, student name.
Yes,
We
and you are
already
done.
have subject name. Yeah.
Yeah, and you are done. Got it?
Hmm. Yeah, got it. Yeah.
This is meaningful data,
Hmm.
right? So,
Got it.
so this is the importance of join. Okay.
Hmm. Yeah.
Are you getting some background noise? I'm sorry for that. Some,
No.
yeah,
It's all. Okay.
some TV installation is going on. So sorry
Yeah,
for
yeah,
that.
it's all right.
So now are you clear with the join? Because see, a join is one of the most important part in our SQL journey. If you understand this, Suma, your 60,
Hmm.
70% job is done.
Yeah.
70-80% job is done, because so many freshers get confused with the join condition join, and in
Yeah, I
interview you will get
got this. Yeah.
101% question on joins. They will try to make you
Hmm.
fool. They will try to keep you in a trouble in
Hmm.
situations where you will give the wrong answer. So you have to do lot
Hmm.
of practice on this. Okay,
Got it. Got
I
it.
will
Yeah.
not make you more confused because I have already used the three tables. Okay, you can go and
Mm-hmm.
watch one more video we have regarding the joins, right? So where we have just keep the joins between customer and I think order, okay, and product,
Other
right?
details. Yeah.
Product.
Hmm. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we have this scenario also we have covered in our recorded sessions.
I'll practice that today. Yeah.
Yeah. So practice this one.
Hmm.
Practice this one. Also, you have to practice this one.
This
And
one. Yeah.
okay, I don't want to create you more confusion. So our next part will be
My only doubt was like while we are using that on condition,
hmm,
uh, we can take any table first. Like here you have taken SSI subject ID is equals to
right.
subject ID. So
Copy
is
this.
there any rule that first we have to take child table and then parent table?
There is no such a rule. Okay, you can keep this
Okay,
student.
first I can take like SB subject ID, not on join here, like on.
Yeah, here, na? Yeah, yeah,
On,
there
yeah,
is
yeah,
no problem. Yeah, that's a good question.
yeah, yeah.
Even you can keep this student here and yeah, here and in on condition also you can put anywhere. That's not a problem actually.
Mhm.
But the
Got
standard
it, yeah.
practice is that if I'm taking SSIs first, I'm using this SSI here. Just
Hmm.
just a standard practice. Even if I
Got
keep
it, got it.
EST here and SSIs here, that will not impact on your results. It will give both
Hmm.
will give the same results. That's
Okay,
not a problem. Okay, even
got it,
instead
got
of
it.
student ID, okay, let's say I will keep student info, control X. I will keep here and
Hmm.
I will keep here, sorry, control Z. And if I control X and if I keep here, that will also not create a problem. You will get the
Hmm.
same result.
Hmm.
Yes, but when it is join, okay, when it is join, when it will be the left join and the right join, it will impact, okay.
Hmm.
And that also
Hmm.
I shared in my video. Will
So this same we can do for teacher subject info,
correct.
teacher student info, I guess.
Yes,
That
yes, correct. You
table,
can do
yeah.
this. I also want to show you this result sets along with the teacher as well. I want to add a teacher here, but I
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
want to make you more confused because I know join is one of the critical and most important part.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to, make you more confusable on
No,
this.
yeah,
I
we
will,
can do that. Like I'm interested to know that.
okay,
Yeah,
sounds good.
yeah. Yeah, can I help? Like, can I try?
Yeah, 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 you can try.
Yeah.
You can tell me the syntax. I will write here.
So we have to include select star from teacher info also.
Correct.
Yeah.
I'm adding here.
And we have to take, we should remove student subject info. Okay, you are going to add teacher also. Okay,
Here,
got it.
here we will add the teacher. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
but then for this, you have to use teacher subject
Teacher
info.
subject info. Yeah.
Wait, before that, we'll do one thing, okay? I will tell you what we'll do.
We'll do for teacher subject info.
Yes, because otherwise it will create more confusion. Okay,
Yeah,
let's
yeah,
go to the
got
new
it.
query window. Okay, teacher info, and let's take, now you will tell me that code.
Yeah.
Okay, and I will take the subject as well here.
Subject info. Yeah.
Now this is the, where is that teacher subject info?
Teacher
Why it's
subject
not
info.
inserted
Yeah.
data here? Mm, can I see that? Teacher subject 1 1 2 2 2 2 3. This is the right,
Yeah.
and then
It
one
was
one.
there like before when you executed, it was there.
Yeah, but no, right now I'm not able to see. That's okay. We'll run one more time. Execute, and we need one more enter, right? 2 2 2 3 and 3 4. This one
Hmm.
also, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Now if we can see that, right?
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Okay, now this is my non-meaningful data and this is my meaningful data. So you have to do
Right.
joins between a teacher and subjects, and we should have the meaningful data like a teacher name and subject name. Now you can help me with that.
Yeah. Select star from teacher subject info.
Select start from
Teacher subject info. We can use as
TSI.
TSRD. Yeah.
Hmm,
Join.
hmm,
Join. 1 second. Join teacher info.
hmm.
Join teacher info. Yeah, yeah.
ठीक है?
Join teacher info. Yeah.
Hmm,
On
hmm.
teacher subject info
Dot.
dot 1 second. ID teacher ID
Hmm. Correct.
is equals to 1 second. TSI my mind froze.
No problem. Take your time.
We
आराम
will
से.
have to take teacher ID only from teacher info. Yeah.
T dot teacher ID.
T dot teacher ID. Yeah.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah. Yeah. Again, we'll have to join. Yeah.
Hmm.
Join teacher subject info.
This is already here. This table is
Sorry.
already. Hmm.
Join subject info.
Correct.
Join subject info on
Hmm.
um, subject info on TSI.
Hmm.
TSI subject ID
Correct.
is equals to SI.
Hmm.
SI subject ID.
Correct.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Should I
Yeah.
run this?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Still, it's not
Now,
meaningful data.
yeah, now we just want
Hmm.
teacher ID and teacher ID. TE.
Do we really need teacher ID? Okay, let me
No, no,
take.
no. We want teacher name
Hmm.
and subject name.
Correct. So how I can
Sub
take subject name?
subject name. mm, I don't know what is the allies for it.
You can see here,
Mm,
right? Yes. Should I take
Okay,
from yes or
SI.
TSI, or should I take from SI? From which table
Subject
should I take
name
subject name?
from SI.
Why? Can I take from
I
here?
don't know.
Can I take from here? TSI?
No, you can't take.
Correct.
Yeah, because we have only IDs there.
Correct.
Yeah.
I'm cross-questioning
Subject
just to
name,
confirm your
teacher
concept.
name, subject name. We want. Okay, okay, that's it. Yeah,
Sounds good.
yeah, yeah,
Okay, good. Now it's meaningful data, right? So Gore sir will
yeah.
teach maths, Jadhav sir will teach physics and chemistry, and Kulkarni sir will teach the biology. And I'm so
Biology.
happy that you understand finally what is the join.
Yeah, I understood it. Yeah,
Good, 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 good.
yeah,
So based on this, we will take more interview questions. Okay.
yeah, sure. Yeah,
Okay. So you just do practice. Okay. Just do
yeah.
practice
I'll
of this.
practice this
This
one.
is
Yeah.
one. Okay. And do the practice of this table.
Hmm.
Second, you have to do practice of this. Okay.
Student one. Yeah, yeah.
Student subject relationship, teacher
Hmm.
subject relationships. Okay. Just do the
Hmm.
practice of this. Okay. One is student subject. Second is
Hmm.
teacher subject. And third
Teacher
is
subject.
a customer order and product.
Customer order. Yeah.
That three. Okay.
Product. Yeah.
So in next video, I'm going to make you more confusion because I will ask you some puzzles related to the interview questions. Okay.
Okay.
But
Yeah. Based
if you
on this one, joins.
Yeah, based on these joins only. So if you understand
Oh,
this,
okay, okay.
if you understand these joins, if you understand these join, and if you understand customer, products, and order, only three. So based on this, I will ask you the simple joins. Okay. So
Yeah,
this
yeah.
video, in
Yeah.
this video, the recorded video, you will find the left join, right join. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
that you have to do practice. Okay, and
Left
based
join,
on
right.
that,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, and based on that, I will ask you the few questions, few puzzles actually. If I do the joins between these two tables, how many records will come? What is the output? Like that. Okay, so it will begin a simple, not that much critical. So don't worry.
Okay.
If you understand these
Okay.
joins, it will be easy for you. And if you
Hmm.
crack that, trust me, if you crack that into questions, don't worry, even if not answered, I will help you to answer that. But once you
Hmm.
crack that joins interview questions, you'll crack the
Hmm.
any SQL interview question.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
okay,
So, what about left, right, and all that? We don't use them in this, whatever we
we are
practice.
not using here because here is not ideal situation actually.
Okay,
But
okay.
in customer order, I have explained the ideal
Yeah,
situation, the
yeah.
real time
Very,
scenario for that actually.
yeah.
Okay, so you'll understand from that actually. Even
Got
I
it,
can,
got it.
manipulate this data, maybe I will try to help to
Mhm.
understand you, but I don't want to manipulate this data because the real
Yeah.
time, I love to explain things with
Okay,
the real
that
time
will
scenario.
happen only when we are taking all the three tables.
No, even in a two tables it will
Oh,
happen. Okay, let's say this is
okay,
my
okay.
customer table. Okay. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and in customer tables I have three customers. Let's say Suma. Okay, then I have
Yeah.
Kiran, and then I have Sunil. Okay, I have the three
Mm.
customers. Okay, let's say, and I have
Yeah.
order tables. Okay, and in
Mm.
order tables I have, let's say, for Suma I have five orders. Okay,
Okay. Mm.
order number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's say for this order, this is my customer ID. Okay, and let's say
Mm.
here customer ID will be 1, then 1, then 1,
Mm.
then 1, and then 1.
Mm.
Okay, and for customer ID, let's say Kiran, customer ID is 2, and Kiran did order number 6 for 2,
6.
again 6 and 2. Okay,
Mm.
and these are the two orders. Okay,
Yeah.
and Sunil haven't placed any order yet. Okay, now this is the real time scenario for your left join. So now if there is no entry for Sunil right here because Sunil
Mm.
haven't placed any
Actually,
order. So if you go
yeah.
and try to do the join, okay, you'll get
Mm.
only Suma and Kiran because join will
Kiran,
happen
yeah.
between Kiran and Suma because this customer ID is
Mm.
only available. Sunil
Yeah.
haven't placed any order. But
Mm.
let's say I want a result sets like how many orders put by every customer. So I want
Mm.
results like this. Okay,
Mm.
customer name and total orders. Let's say Suma ordered 5 times, Kiran ordered 2 times, and Sunil ordered 0 times. Okay, I want this report. How you can get that? Because if you do the join between customer and order, you'll get only Kiran
That's
and
join.
Sunil, Kiran and Suma, but you will not get the Sunil. But I want a Sunil also. So in this case, I will do a, instead of join, I will do a left join.
Left join.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah. Got it.
and I will get in this, but in this case, you have to keep the customer as your left table.
Mm.
Then and only then you will get all the records from the left side and the
Mm-hmm.
matching records from the right
Yeah.
side. Okay, so if
Got
you do
it.
customer left join order, you will get all the customers, no matter it's matching or not matching.
Mm.
If it's not matching, you
Mm.
will get the null value. For is null, we'll handle is null and we'll put this as a 0 and we'll
Mm.
get that. Okay. So that interesting fact actually. So I explained this with real time scenario in
Mm.
that video. You just go and watch that video because this is related to
Okay.
the student subject. So here the ideal situation is for join actually. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, got it.
That's the reasons. Okay. So these are the assignments for you. Okay, just
Yeah,
go through
yeah.
this
I
and
will
just do the
practice
practice.
yesterday.
Okay, and
Yeah,
based
yeah.
on the practice, okay, so I will give the hint as well what I will ask you in the interview question,
Mm.
the same questions I will ask you in the interview as well. And that
Mm-hmm.
I want Sunil, but Sunil haven't ordered
Oh,
anything, how Sunil will come, so you have to think about then left
okay.
join like that. And
Okay, okay. Got it.
some puzzles as well I will ask. Just do the
Mm.
practice, and just do the practice and you'll understand everything, don't worry on that
Yeah, yeah.
part. Okay.
Got it. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
sounds good. So in next video, we'll go with that some interview puzzle questions related to the joins. And one more thing is that we'll go in deeper about we'll do the joins between student,
Points.
teacher, subject, and all that.
Picture.
4 to 5 tables
Yeah,
that we'll do.
got it.
Okay.
Hmm.
So just
Yeah.
do the practice hard and you'll
Mhm.
get everything. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.